If you've been watching everyone else make money online with digital products while you're still wondering where to start, this video is going to change that, especially if you're over 50. Because here's the truth. Most people only share the surface level stuff, not that part that shows you how to make consistent income that actually replaces your 9 to 5. See, I've been there. I've lost income. I was in debt. I had to rebuild from scratch. But once I discovered what I now call the freedom formula, everything shifted. I realized that there are a few freedom truths that no one tells you. And when you understand them, it gives you an unfair advantage no matter your age or tech skills. Stay with me because once you learn these, you'll see why midlife is actually the best time to build digital income. Freedom truth number one. There's no universal timeline for success. Everyone's journey looks different. Stop comparing your day one to someone else's year 5. Your success depends on a few things. Your past experience and your life experience does count. Your audience size, small and loyal beats big and distracted any day. Your comfort with tech, and that's all learnable step by step, trust me. And the clarity that you have on your offer, who you help, and what problem you solve. See, when I started, I didn't have any of those. No audience, no clarity, definitely no tech confidence. But each piece fell into place because I stopped comparing myself. And when I did that, I was able to start learning one small thing at a time. So here's what I want you to remember. Everything is figure outable. When you have the right system, it will work. That's what the freedom formula gives you. Structure, but without the overwhelm. Now, freedom truth number 2. Creating the product isn't the hard part. I know we all think if I could just finish my course or my planner or my guide, then the money would just come flowing in. But creating the product, that's actually the easy part. The real work and the real profit happens when you start marketing. I spend most of my time now creating value-driven content that builds trust. You don't need to be a designer or a tech wizard. You can make digital products in Canva or even in Google Docs. Because remember, what matters is learning how to share it. Most midlifers, they skip this part because it feels uncomfortable. But once you understand how to position your message, then your content becomes your sales engine. And if you want help with that, my freedom formula walks you through the exact steps to sell even as a complete beginner. It's the same system that I used to replace my income and create automation that now runs my business while I sleep. Okay, freedom truth number 3. Followers don't equal buyers. Having 10,000 followers means nothing if they don't trust you. I know people with just a few hundred followers making consistent sales because they built connection, not vanity metrics. Think about it. You only buy from people you trust, right? And that trust in this case is built through your free content. People will say you're giving away too much, but giving value, that's the strategy. We live in an AI world. Information is everywhere. What people buy is your perspective, your story, your voice. So don't hold your knowledge, share it. That generosity becomes the magnet that draws your community in. Now, freedom truth number 4, your first product won't be your hero product. I know most people think that their first digital product will be the one that goes viral, the one that changes everything. But your first product is your practice round. It teaches you what your audience actually wants, what you enjoy creating, where you can improve. My first digital product was not a hit, but by adding bonuses, walkthroughs, and value, I turned it into a very profitable item. So don't get stuck waiting for perfect. You'll refine as you go. Progress beats perfection every time. Now, freedom truth number 5. You must know your niche. You've probably heard it all. Don't niche down. Be multi-passionate. Talk about everything. But confusion kills sales. When you talk to everyone, you connect with no one. See, clarity builds confidence and confident buyers buy. Your niche isn't about limiting yourself. I know it can feel like that, but it's really about helping the right people recognize you instantly. For me, that niche became helping midlife women build freedom through digital products. That's my zone of genius. That's why people come back, because they know what to expect and what results they can get. Remember this, a confused buyer doesn't buy. So get clear, stay focused, and stay in your own lane. It's okay. Now, freedom truth number 6, passive income isn't passive. Let's get real. Passive income takes active effort up front. You do the work once, but you build systems that keep paying you over time. So yes, I wake up to sales some mornings, but only because I created automation through my freedom formula and it runs 24/7. If you're serious about building that kind of freedom, start now. Don't wait for someday. Every small action compounds. You don't have to be 25. You don't have to be tech savvy. You just need direction, belief, and a system that works. The freedom formula gives you that roadmap step by step with automation tools that save time and build profit. So if you're ready to stop watching and start doing, check the link below for your free guide. And in the comments, I want you to tell me, what would financial freedom mean for you right now? Because you are not behind, you're right on time. This is your next chapter. Let's write it together.